That was pretty good. Let's go. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. The focus of this video is going to be on the pond, which I haven't put on the channel for about 6 weeks now. A lot has changed since the last pond video, and we're going to be doing a feeding of our pet bass and warmouth. I have been able to kind of train them. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a couple reels of me feeding them and them jumping out of the water. I can tell by the way that the fish are staring at me that they're pretty hungry. So we have a nice menu for them prepared. We have a bunch of night crawlers in this worm box, and we will also be lifting up these rocks to catch some crickets that might jump out. And then tomorrow I plan on getting some minnows either from the pond or the store to feed the fish. But anyway, here's a quick update of the pond. So everything has really grown in a ton since last time. I think one of the last videos here I filmed was planting all these flowers, and they've kind of taken off. The lily pad has grown exponentially, and it seems like it keeps putting out a new leaf every day. The water hyacinth I've had to take out quite frequently as it grows incredibly fast. You're gonna see in just a second, but these fish have grown so fast. Like, I watched one of my old videos from about 6 weeks ago, and you know, the bass was this long. Now you're gonna see it's incredible how fast they grew. I think it's because my dad put like 50 minnows in every week, and they just, you know, gorge themselves. Don't laugh at my Hero 3. Okay, GoPro's in position. So is the warmouth. And hopefully the bass will get his butt over here. Our three main competitors are the warmouth, the green sunfish bluegill hybrid, and the largemouth bass. We have 2 bullheads in here, but they think I'm scary or something. Okay, first we're gonna start off with a nice juicy night crawler. That was the warmouth. Oh, come on now. Oh my gosh. Oh, he bit my hand. So far, the warmouth has been the easiest to train. The largemouth bass is a little more timid, but I think we can change that. Oh. Oh, warmouth wants it, warmouth wants it. Come on, babe. Oh, oh, that was the bass. I really hope I got that on the GoPro. That's crazy. The warmouth is mad. Look at him, he's mad. There's the bass. He's back and hungry for more. They're still hungry. Oh, there's the bullhead. Oh, that might be the first time I ever got it on camera. He must smell us. Okay, come on, jump for it. You gotta work for this, man. Come on. Oh, I didn't mean to drop him. He's back for more. Come on, I want to see some air out of you. Come on. Come on. Don't be. There's the bullhead. There's the bullhead. Oh, hold on. If I drop it down. Oh, that was the warmouth. I think the bullheads can smell it. They can. Oh, there he is. Hold on. There's the warmouth. There's the little green sunfish, bluegill hybrid. One of them's hogging all the GoPro space. Oh, look, all four of them. I wish you guys could see the glare. Warmouth, bass, green sunfish, other green sunfish, and the bullheads are just patrolling. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh my God. Here's a cricket. Another cricket. It's getting kind of late, so I think I'm gonna resume tomorrow, either morning or afternoon. But the fish are still staring at me, which means they are still somehow hungry. See you in the morning. It's the next morning. I have obtained the goods. We got the minnows. Here we go. Got the bubbler and 2 scoops of shiners. Just remember to turn the GoPro on. Okay, ready there. Nice open spot. Let's try a dead one. Warmouth is ready. So is the bluegill. Let's see what we got. Oh! Come on now. Come on. Let's see. Oh! Oh! That was crazy. That was pretty good. Oh, did he get it? I think he got it. Another one. Let's go. Oh, that was crazy. Let's go. Oh, that was crazy. Okay, now it's time to try a live one. Come here, guy. All right, live one, here we go. Did he escape? There's no way. No way. I gave the water some time to settle. The minnows are now acclimated to the same water temperature as the pond. And we're gonna dump them in and see how the fish react. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was kind of a blooper. Let's try this again. Look how big his stomach is. Oh my gosh. That is all I have for today. Thank you all for watching. And if you did like this feeding video, make sure you let me know in the comments below. But other than that, that's all I got. Catch you in the next one.
I just be pouring my heart out, yeah, and on my songs. The haters stay hating, they don't know what's wrong. Can't wait to tell my kids that you gotta stay strong. Cause I got God on my side even when I am gone. I don't even care if I'm hurt, I'ma cry for you. I don't even care if I